Talk real estate now in the midst of COVID-19, a very different market that we're looking at.
Fears of COVID-19 are also rocking the stock markets, but the impact could be good news for home buyers.
I know it's the strange new world, right?
Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and safe. I know a lot of you are thinking that the market is going to crash, and I can only talk about being here working as a real estate agent for RE/MAX in Toronto, Canada. I'm looking where the market is going. So this video will not apply to if you're in the States or in some other parts in Canada. But in Toronto, Canada, I can tell you that now is probably the best time for you to buy a home. If you do like this particular video, make sure you subscribe right here. You press the bell button right here. One of them right there. Make sure you join us because we have 3 videos coming out every single week addressing real estate, COVID-19, and anything else you have in mind. So let's begin. Number 1 is the interest rates. They are so low that it gives you an opportunity. If you were 3 or 4 months ago, we're looking at buying a home for only $500,000 and didn't give you a lot of choice. Now you have an opportunity to spend more money because of the interest rates. So if you were to buy a $500,000 1-bedroom condo, now you're at $600,000 with 2 bedrooms. So I mean, this is an opportunity that was not there before. A lot of buyers are now on the fence, on the sideline, not sure if they should invest and buy because they're kind of waiting for the prices to crash. In reality, when you were 3 or 4 months ago, back before March, there was a lot of bidding wars. Things were selling so quick, you didn't even have the chance to go out there to submit an offer, nevertheless to actually go and see the property in person. So now with virtual tours available for you to view, and if you wish to physically go see it, there isn't a lot of demand for apartments. This is the reason why I really will encourage you to make sure that if you were trying to buy a condo for the last year or 2 years and you couldn't do it because everything was selling that quick, now is the time for you to really step it up and go see a place and make it your home. As you know, Airbnb has not been active now and they kind of shut it off for the next 6 to 8 months, might be even more. Which means there's now more apartments available on the market. So for you, if you really didn't want and you couldn't find something that was of good value and in the perfect location for you, now you have the ability and higher chances for yourself to be able to find this apartment. So do me a favor, make sure you check out with your realtor or you send us a message so that we can help you out because there is more apartments available right now. With the interest rate being so low, now is the time to get into the market. So again, whether COVID-19 affected the real estate market, in some parts in the world, 100%. As long as you're doing your research and you are analyzing what are the prices and you make sure you can afford that mortgage payment, get yourself an apartment, get yourself a home. Smash that like button. We have 3 videos coming out every single week. Make sure you just check it out and have an amazing day.